Hello guys, today we're going to continue talking about the use of passive voice, but in this occasion we're going to add the modal verbs. Therefore, we're going to have passive modals. Okay, so over here we have a conversation between these wonderful people, and this gentleman mentions, I think habitats must be protected by law nowadays. And this lady mentions, yes, we should have been more careful of our local wildlife in the past. So, can you identify a passive model? Hmm. This might look a little bit confusing because in both interactions we have modal verbs, must and should. Okay, but only one follows the traditional structure that we follow in a passive voice sentence. Okay, we have the modal verb must, the verb to be, and the verb in past participle. Then, by law nowadays, okay, who is indicating who has to protect the inhabitants at the moment. Okay, on the other hand, we should have been more careful. Okay, this expression implies regret. Okay, which comes from a conditional. Okay, then the passive modal can be found over here, but there is a problem. There is a mistake over there. Remember that when we have a modal verb, we need to have the next verb in infinitive form. Must be protected. Okay? And this sentence expresses a present necessity, the need to protect these habitats. So over there we have more passive modals. Okay. In the first one, can we identify where the modal verb is? Easy, right? Habitants my. My is the modal verb. Okay. Then we have this one is a little bit more complex sentence because this implies the use of present perfect. Okay, and since we have present perfect, we're going to need have, okay, which is the auxiliary using the present perfect for plural subjects. Okay, the verb to be, been, and destroyed. Okay, the verb to be in past participle since we have the auxiliary have and destroyed in past participle. So there we have the modal verb. Okay, habitants might have been destroyed because people didn't realize the consequences. But we do today, and we should be more careful. So this is the passive model. In the next sentence, okay, can we identify the modal verb? Hmm. So the modal verb that we have over here is would. Then we have the verb to be, and the verb in past participle, forced. Okay, so the first one implies past, and the second one implies present. Okay, we can identify it by the use of the verb to be. Look at the verb to be, how it changes. Being and be. So we use passive modals to talk about ability, possibility, necessity, deduction, speculation, or to criticize something. Then we have more passive modals. Okay, remember that in this focus, we're going to mainly focus in the structure. Okay, we can find more information about the function in the platform. So it's very simple. The structure that we have to follow in these passive modals. Look at all of the sentences, how we have the modal verb. Should, could, must, and in this case, a negative one, shouldn't. Then according the tense of the sentence, okay, we're going to have an auxiliary or not. Okay, those two sentences are in present. Therefore, we have the verb to be in base form. Should be, could be. And of course, the next verb is going to be in past participle. Should be, been.